Have you ever wondered how to start a keto diet? This dietary approach, known as the ketogenic diet, has a rich history, tracing back to the 1920s as a treatment for epilepsy. Nowadays, it's gained popularity for a variety of reasons. People are drawn to its potential health benefits, from weight loss to improved brain function and increased energy levels. It's more than just a diet, it's a lifestyle change transforming the way we view food and nutrition. Now that you know what a keto diet is, you might be wondering how to get started. Let's dive into that next. Starting a keto diet involves more than just cutting back on carbs. It's about transitioning your body to burn fat for energy instead of sugar. This is achieved by reducing carbohydrate intake and significantly increasing the consumption of fats. Foods to embrace include high-fat foods like avocados, cheese, and fatty fish. Foods high in carbohydrates such as bread, pasta, and sugary treats should be avoided. The concept of macronutrient ratios is key in a keto diet. This refers to the percentage of your daily calories that come from fats, proteins, and carbs. A typical ratio might be 70% fats, 20% proteins, and 10% carbs. Tracking your food intake is crucial to maintaining these ratios. There are numerous apps available to help with this. Starting a keto diet can lead to side effects, often referred to as the keto flu. Symptoms include fatigue, headaches, and nausea. Drinking plenty of water and getting enough salt can help manage these symptoms. By following these steps, you can start a keto diet and potentially reap the health benefits. To summarize, starting a keto diet involves several key steps. It's crucial to reduce your carbohydrate intake while simultaneously increasing your fat consumption. Eating the right foods plays a pivotal role in the success of this diet. Tracking your food intake is equally important, as it helps in managing potential side effects. Remember, starting a keto diet is a lifestyle change, not just a diet. It requires commitment and discipline. But with the right approach, it can lead to significant health benefits.